All right, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be me tearing out that dash because it was a right-hand steer. I'm going to left-hand with the Astrovan. You can hear that music. It's going to be a time-lapse and then a bunch of random Jake explanations of what I'm planning to do. So enjoy the video, enjoy the time-lapse, and yep, there I go. Either way, I got the dash ripped out, so that's a good thing. And then I wanted to figure out, as you saw in the time lapse, how in the world to mount the seat and what height, deck, and stuff. So I cut a pipe that fits into my easy chair here, and then I just take this chair and I set it in here. And I'm going to try to climb onto it without help because the help is holding the camera. So you might get an idiot falling on this video. That's not the point. The point is, I did it. So there's where the chair would sit. And this is where I would sit. Oh, please don't die. All right. So this is the theory. Whoa, oh, shoot, dang it. All right, go to the front, Carter. They don't need to see my back of my head. So what this does, it puts me decent view right in the glass, but it puts me back enough if I could trust the seat to where I could turn and look through the door. But the height feels good. We could hit bumps like crazy, not an issue. I got headroom to spare. We could have really tall people driving this and really short people. I think would be okay. I don't know. But what it does, let's go to the other side so you can see over here. Whoa. I turn the shifter around. Now it goes to the passenger side. So I'll have to have a kinking shift. But I'm thinking, grab that little piece of pipe. That's disgusting. Okay. So you can see this is the shifter goes there. So all I gotta do is bend the shifter to here. And I'd probably shorten it so that as you're sitting here, right? So it'll be a little funny. You'll have to reach for it. But we'll just put a bend in the shifter to bring it over. Probably a double bender. I don't know how to, it's a bender. So we'll bring it over and boom. So it's right there. So see if I can do this. You like that? Boom. I'm probably going to fall. So this seat needs to have a seat belt. It does not have one. Sketchysaurus land, because I'm a dinosaur. That would be my name. If I was a dinosaur, I'd be Sketchysaurus. That's some sketchy stuff. So, yeah. So this deck here is basically 5 inches from the bottom of a seat. So if I take a seat when I take some steel and I build a deck right here, I'll just come up 5 inches and I'll flood this whole thing up to a point here, and then I'll build a little firewall, but the fire's here. So there'll be also right here, you'll run clear to the front at the right spacing. You got to kind of, you can go in the front maybe. That'll be a good shot. See me pointing. So I should be able to build like this out of some 1-inch square tube and come up and catch that. I also got to figure out, don't go anywhere there. See this steering knuckle. So that I'm going to have to get it over here and like that. So this piece has to get cut off, and then somehow it's got to come through a firewall. I can bring this out and in like that to where right there, yeah, you just got to hold to get this through, and then we'll have to build a bunch of brackets to hold the steering, but that would put my steering almost center. Your clutch is here, brake is here, ooh, wow. And your gas is going to go right through this thing. That's what it's feeling like, right? So this panel is going to disappear. I'm going to shift it out a little bit to where right there. Hold on, I have a pipe, don't I? So if I go to about there, and that would be the edge of the stuff. And then I can come up and build it back as far as I need to. And then all I got to do is I'll decide on a certain point, like let's say there. And then that point, I'll make a bracing system that comes across this whole front so that I can have a spot to bolt to, and the doghouse will secure to that. So I like it much better without the dash in here. I feel much better about myself. And I figured out why it was leaning this way. You'll notice the tilt is gone because right there on top of the tire, the heater hit. And so it wasn't letting that side down an extra ½ inch. So this thing doesn't sit an inch off the ground. It sits roughly ½ inch off the ground. So, oh yeah. So I'm thinking, because this is awkward, it would be really nice to have a bar right here just to like grab a bar. You know what I'm saying? And so I think what I'm going to do is come right above the door and put an 1.5-inch bar across. You could almost do pull-ups on it. Be a great exercise. So, yeah, I'll go pump some iron in my minivan. Nah. Disco music would be awesome. So I like the idea of a little bar you grab onto. Just put it at this height. So, because you got to climb over this stuff, so like something to hold on to. It also gives the driver something to grab when they roll the car, because the airbags are so soft, like and they're safe. Because I'm about safety. That's why I'm balancing on a pole on a chair. So yeah, I'm thinking this is going to be pretty good. It's still weird because the windshield is like, I can't touch it. You know, usually when you sit in a car, the windshield's like, I can touch you. But this isn't going to be bad. You'll have giant mirrors on both sides. So when you look side to side, you'll be like, oh, people everywhere. And then I'm going to put little screens up here. I'll put 3 screens. There'll be left side, right side, and reverse side. Rear end. I don't know. So that way when you look up, boom, boom, boom. Cameras viewing everything. You look to the side, boom, you can see backward on both sides. And when you look forward, you're like, I'm driving a truck. And it's awesome. That's what it'll sound like. It's a turbo whistle diesel. So you'd want to go, it's a van. You have to go through the doghouse. Vans suck. By the way, anyone out there who thinks vans are awesome, this one is. All right, so now you can see why I want that bar. Bang. So instead, I'm going to see if I don't die. Can I pull a circus trick? Nope. I have nothing to hold. So scary. Oh, dang. Okay. Oh, almost died. Yeah. Oldmansounds.com. So anyway, that's what I got to. You won't be able to go through this door. Well, if you get a seat that does this, you could. But I don't have a seat that does that yet. Maybe when we buy the seats that do that, we'll be able to do that. But okay. Oh, dang it. Mom just showed up. All right. So that is the mail truck with no dash. Stay tuned for more craziness from me, and you guys have some fun. See you next time.